Hi, this is Caitlin Walter, and here is my Module 0 online learning reflection. So for the first question, my technology access is best described as, I actually would like to change this. I definitely do have a computer at home. I have my own laptop. I also have my own iPad. I have another extra PC for work. And I obviously have my own email account through school, and I have my own email account just as a regular Gmail account as well. So I didn't read fully through the answers to this question, so I definitely would go back and choose the first answer, definitely, without a doubt. So for my technology school skills, they're definitely pretty good. I've taken lots of the CIT courses. I've taken the word processor, the spreadsheets, the Microsoft Access, as well as the Photoshop course. Definitely very comfortable in all of those. I work with the computer just about every day. Face-to-face communication, throughout my Miami career, I've taken tons of online courses, so face-to-face communication is not essential to me. I can definitely learn on my own without all the classroom interaction. When I need help in class, I definitely am 100% comfortable in asking questions. I know that this may be a little challenging since I've never played with Dreamweaver before, so definitely heads up for a lot of questions. The amount of uninterrupted time I have devoted to an online class, so I know I needed to devote at least 15 or more hours a week, but with my schedule I try and stay around at least 10. I work 2 part-time jobs right now. I'm an assistant manager at a swim club. I'm also a barista. I walked in graduation in May, but turns out I needed 1 more credit hour to receive my diploma, so that's why I'm here. So on top of my 2 part-time jobs, I work about 45 to 50 hours a week, and then trying to search for a full-time position, and then, as you know, finish out my Miami courses and get my diploma. So I'm going to work on this. Definitely need to work on scheduling out time ahead to work on this course. I definitely describe myself as self-motivated, self-disciplined, and very organized. I have a planner, and I sit down every week and plan out my week, and then in the morning I typically check my planner every day and make sure that, I'm doing everything that I need to be doing, and I finished everything the day before that I need to accomplish then. When it comes to procrastinate, I sometimes procrastinate just with my busy schedule. Stuff happens, and so I can't really control it. I have been working on it though, and I'm definitely getting better at it. But I definitely need to improve some more. My reading and writing abilities, obviously above average. My critical thinking skills, definitely throughout the past 4 years at Miami, I have been able to evolve these and am definitely very good. Class discussions, I have no problem with class discussions. I kind of enjoy them on an online basis a little better because I think people are more blunt and you kind of get to know them a little bit more, and you don't have to hide like what you're thinking really in an online class, whereas sometimes like in class people get you nervous and then you don't want to speak in front of everyone. So online I like to get involved a little bit more. When it comes to learning, I am always welcome to new opportunities to master new things. Definitely with Dreamweaver, never used it before. Definitely curious on how it works out. And I have taken several online classes since my freshman year in the fall of 2014. I think I've taken at least 2 every semester. I've taken 2 winter term courses at once. I've taken multiple summer courses, so. And here are my results. Passing score. May have some trouble with online coursework just because of my busy schedule. But I really have little to no problems with online learning, so I'm excited to do this course. I'm excited to finish my degree, and I am excited to learn more about Dreamweaver. Thank you.